Hello and welcome to another Aquanetix features video. This video demonstrates how traceability is easily achieved with Aquanetix. Let's start with defining traceability. In the seafood industry, traceability is the ability to follow the movement of a food through specified stages of production, processing, and distribution. This means that fish and shrimp farmers must be able to trace the movements of fish or shellfish from egg to customer, trace the use of feeds from purchase to feeding, and trace the use of chemicals and drugs used. Starting at the very beginning, I will now demonstrate how you can easily record and stock a new batch of eggs on Aquanetix. From your broodstock site, you can directly record a new batch of eggs from a specific broodstock tank. Give it a code, record numbers of eggs collected and numbers fertilized. If you wish, you can even record the egg development stages in the batch collected. Then stock them in your hatchery tanks. Once you do this, you can switch to your hatchery site and see the tank stocked with the egg batches recorded. Now, how can you trace your stock when you're moving it? Recording transfers and gradings between tanks or cages is easy. You can use the transfer shortcut button on the farm page and record the date and type of transfer, the source and destination tanks or cages, and the number and mean weight of the individuals transferred. If you transfer the whole container, then tick the box Empty Container. Once you click on OK, the page is refreshed and the stock will have moved from source to destination. The Aquanetix mobile app is an excellent tool to record all farm data, directly by farm staff, ensuring more accurate and real-time data. It is easy to use, and apart from operations like stocking or transfer, you can record water quality parameters and feeding data. Here you can see a user logging with a PIN code and recording feeding data for cage B08, including the lot number of the feed used. The app shows you the available lot numbers in the warehouse for the feed you're feeding. The final stage in tracing fish or shrimp in the farm is the harvest. Again, using the harvest shortcut button on the farm page, it is easy and fast to record a harvest. Choose the date and the tank or cage harvested, add an optional harvest code, and the mean weight and number or biomass of stock harvested. If you want a traceability report for the stock harvested, just go to the Traceability Reports page and choose the stock or harvest you want to trace. The report generated shows the eggs, fry, or PLs that contributed to the harvested stock, the feeds and lot numbers used in the tanks or cages where the stock was, and a full tree showing the complete route of the fish or shrimp from stocking to harvest. All this is automatically generated and can be exported as an Excel file, or saved as a PDF for auditors from certification bodies. So if traceability matters to you, Aquanetix is the solution.